Oh yeah, that's awesome. Fuck. We were so close, guys. Take a look there. Alright guys, I went ahead and took off the driver's side here, and luckily we got away with quite a bit. That wheel was sitting directly on that caliper there, but looks like we only got a little bit of scraping up on the bottom edges here. I'm not going to worry too much about fixing it because later on I think I'm going to actually powder coat the whole thing. So here's these spacers we got. They're just some universal ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on just so we can move the car in and out for a while until I get some good ones put on there, but they'll sit on there just like that. These are lug centric and not hub centric, so I'm not gonna worry too much about, you know, it moving around too much. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this side on and then we'll get over to the passenger side. Alright guys, got both wheels on, got the whole car down on the ground now. I went ahead and bled the system beforehand, so you know, we should be able to just go ahead and back this thing straight out the garage. Yep, so with that, that's about concluding what we have done for the caliper conversion. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out, and we're gonna do the break-in process real quick. And then afterwards, we'll go ahead and reveal the car to you.
Inside me.